187.
Know some Hoover niggas that's down to ride for a homicide when it's drama time. Niggas thinking that they MCs can't get touched, well it's hammer time. Who the fuck is Lil Dirt? I dust you like Ash and Perp. Your flow whack, my flow crack. Got marble floors, your flow's crack. Got rat shit, mic straps. These niggas broke knee ankle wraps. Don't ride around in LA if you ain't come on a jet with the strap. My niggas 52 orange roofs, orange coupes, rock orange juice. Trail set, fuck all y'all. My OG chimp out soon. H-rat shot out school. Boy Q still my dog. You a real one, I owe you. Shot at them niggas when you heard the news. If your daughter ever needs some, don't hesitate, I got you. Posted up on Sunset at the House of Blues like it's all cool. Might get trapped in Vegas too. Call Marley Marl, he with Big U. I might be in Bel Air, still got niggas in the field. 20 million LK real with Yeezus and that SLR. T-Raw, upper echelon, no lil jets, just G5s. Free CBH rat, Lil Punch and Baby Nitty, my mate back. Cost 2 chickens, you ain't got one, don't talk my language, I'm king shitting on yo bitch. Southpaw, we in the gym, trying to be a baller. End up like flipping a butter rim. You too small like Smeagol, I'm swatting a mosquito. I put you under earth, now it's a garden on your tombstone. You shit-stained teenagers, barely teething on hundos. I hold you like the slave you are. All my whips mayo. You from Illinois, I bring the noise. You ain't platinum, don't talk to me. Grammy nominated, don't talk to me. 20 million, don't talk to me. It's levels to this shit, boy. You basement, don't talk to me. You want the fame, I take your name, and that weak bitch you fall asleep with, nigga.
Ain't got no time for this rap shit. Blood money, cash money. Ain't got no time for this rap shit.
187.
Blood money, ain't got no time for this rap shit. Rap money, drug money, straight nigga. Straight jack kid. Yo, Trail, let a nigga get the ratchet. Big U, let a nigga get some matches. I'ma torch the building, this lot familiar. Pull up and spin a nigga backwards. Light it up, smoke a nigga like a backwood. Got a channel DMX. Coming through with my dogs. That chopper going through walls. This beef shit, that's me shit. Pull a bangin' that meat shit. That monster truck pull on the side of that Benz. Niggas ain't saying nothing. Choppers aimed at your whip, nigga. Niggas ain't saying nothing. Cash money, family hustle like tip, nigga. Niggas ain't saying nothing. Come through, few bloods, few crips, nigga. Niggas ain't saying nothing. T-Raw, I got you, don't trip. First off, let me do 40 Glock again. Talked about my kids on Instagram. Nigga must wanna get his ass socked again. Tell a lie like I poured out a Glock on him. Don't make me resurrect Pac again. Get schoolboy like Kendrick and Top in them. Have a bitch nigga running to the cops again. It's all Gucci, man. Walk a flock in them. Green light. That mean go, nigga. If you ever see this whole nigga on mama's, nigga, it's a green light. From where my nigga died to Riverside, even yo niggas know it's a green light. Better run through the red ones. Fuck around, be a damn one. In the middle of beef, cause I don't like no one. Stand behind these bars and I don't write no one. Niggas bumping their lips, but they don't like no guns. Just close your eyes and that light gon' come. I don't fuck with no new niggas, they like to sue, no whoop, nigga. Tiger hit me like Dirk dissing. Dirk no whiskey, Dirk who, nigga? Never heard of these niggas. Some of the nerve of these niggas don't make me put on burgundy. Nigga, let the AK, I'm serving these niggas. Yo, T-Raw, time to murder these niggas. Black suburban these niggas. I'm taking pictures, I'm taking change. Yeah, I'm Young Berg in these niggas. They ain't start making guns when they made you, nigga. Ain't no Jayhawk, but I K you, nigga. And I know Hoovers, I know 60s, I know Westside Pyrus, nigga down to die too. Move in on the 50s. Got niggas on the west and the south side shot. Pull up in the 87 Cutlass, throwing bullets like Jay Cutler. Fuck this, what's this? Nigga talking all that fuck shit, tough shit, put a nigga on like truck fit. I know Lil Wayne, I know Lil Reese, I know Lil Herb, I know Lil Keith, I know Lil Boosie, that nigga free like this ass whooping. Come fuck with me, I got hands, I got bands. Goddamn, I am what I am. 4-5 go bland with no jam. Bring a nigga Vietnam, let's go ham. Niggas running out of ham, let's go spam. Nigga dip through your set like Killer Cam. I'm talking to the man with no fans. This is a DM with no gram. Riding through the shot, I ain't never seen Oprah. Hit a 300 with my little nigga Sosa. Brown paper bag, sipping on a 4 Loca. Nigga get love, I ain't talking about the Notebook. Nigga got killers out here, West Side, they feel us out here. Like Weasel Sims and Chicago Realers out here. Old man in the Capitol Hillers out here. Bowleg got stillers out here on the low end. On my BD, niggas bring the dope in. And the BD twins locked up in the feds. Tell my nigga Pump J, nigga hold your head. If you getting money, nigga hold your bread. Rock my Pelly P like LED. Them bogus boys, they fuck with me. I fuck with Stones till I OD. 6'9", 7 deuce. Marshallfield, I mean Murderfield. Yellow G gave me a bitch off of Damon Ave. I used her to kill. She from the shop, but she ain't shot. She ain't never met a nigga who can't die. I'm so north side, I'm so west side, nigga, ain't I? Got more niggas in the shot than J's. I might be more shot town than Ye. I'm on the low end with my nigga Parquet. And he a GD, but it's free Pump J. 4CH, but I'm like Barksdale and OG like a car sale. Chopper spin, you do cartwheels, Lil Durk under a little dirt. And nobody knows you. This ain't what they want. Nobody knows you. Bitch, I thought that was Future song. I'm about to show you. You done caught yourself a little L, dog. Man, nobody knows you. You heard a little dirt.
Nigga, hell nah.